Well, hey friends, this is Maya Hull.
I'm Whitney.
Hi, my name is Olivia Himmel. I am an independent senior sales director.
And
I'm an independent beauty consultant with Mary Kay.
And today I'm so excited to share with you guys some of my favorite holiday products for this joyful season.
So the first gift is our amazing Time-Wise Repair Lifting Biocellulose Masks. This gift is what you want to give for all the ladies in your life who just love being pampered or deserve being pampered.
Next, your oil-free eye makeup remover. Eye makeup remover is one of my top gifts, and it's also a bestseller.
I like to call my Merry Christmas box the perfect box for the lip products. And right now, the absolute best lip product that you can add to your beauty tower is the brand new Vinyl Shine Liquid Lip Colors. They come in 4 colors.
The Mary Kay Men Facial Cleanser. This is one of my favorite gift ideas for men in your life. Every man needs to wash their face. So why not use something that deep cleans your pores, removes excess oil, and is refreshing?
The Cityscape. I love this fragrance because it's really sophisticated and it just smells sharp. This cologne actually came out the year my husband and I were married. So this still got a little special place in my heart as well.
Incredible clear-proof deep cleansing charcoal mask. Believe it or not, my husband loves this mask, and all my girlfriends, their husbands use it too. They're the ones who probably reorder it the most.
Okay friends, finally I want to teach you about gifts I call the uh-oh gifts. Have you ever heard of an uh-oh? Someone brings you a gift and you're like, uh-oh, I don't have a gift to give back. The first one is our satin lips. It's the perfect uh-oh gift, and here's why. Nobody wants chapped and cracked lips through the winter and holiday season.
So you exfoliate with the Shea Sugar Scrub first, and then you come in with the Shea Butter Balm. Great fit for all kinds of people. They'll love it in their stocking. It is stocking stuffer size, and this is just one of those products that you can use all year round, but especially during the holiday season.
Chroma Fusion eyeshadows in Petite Palette. Did you know that we have over 30 eyeshadow shades? You can have a sparkly look, a colorful look, a matte look, or a neutral look. Possibilities are endless, and these will make a one-of-a-kind gift just for her.
Well friends, as you can see, there are so many options to make this holiday season a beautiful one.
So make sure that you reach out to your independent beauty consultant for all of your gift giving needs this holiday season.
She can help curate custom gifting ideas just for you.
Have a Merry Pink Christmas.